pa kayo kaya i-let go, but we only have 2 months, at least 2 months. And let's cherish the last 2 months that we're together. I know, siguro, mahirap nang mag-cross yung mga landas natin once you enter your college life. But I hope in my own little ways, I motivated you, I inspired you to be the best versions of yourself. Ang bigat sa pakiramdam na for almost 2 months na lang tayo magkakasama. You've been part of the family, you've been one of my support system. Pasensya na kung may mga nasigawan, napagalitan, may mga napaglokohan. At least, that is my one way of showing to you my love. I hope and pray that when you entered college, when you graduated in senior high school, I hope all your dreams in life will be achieved. And always remember, kahit hindi nyo na ako advisor, I'm always here, ready to listen, ready to help you, whether be it academically, you want moral support, I'm here. For the last 2 months, malapit nang mag-sign off ang Arangkada Einstein. But I will be forever grateful sa lahat ng sakripisyo, sa lahat ng oras na binigay nyo to make this class a meaningful one. I don't know if you'll be my last advisory class because I will be taking a greener pasture, and I'm very thankful that kayo yung, I don't know, if God's permit, kayo yung magiging last na advisor ko. And I'm very grateful and thankful to you all. I hope and pray you all be succeed in life. And for the last time, ayoko muna, babanggitin ko na lang siya sa graduation. But please, 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 you will always have a special place in my heart. Thank you for always being there for me and for the whole class. Tama na munang iyak, may graduation ball pa. Babawi na lang tayo sa graduation ball. Let's make it a meaningful one. But again, once again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. And I'm very grateful that ako yung naging advisor nyo, at the same time kayo yung naging students ko. And yun lang muna. Sa graduation ko na ibubuhos lahat. Sa graduation ball ko na ibubuhos lahat. Basta always remember, I'm always here. So thank you for this special day, special program na you made my birthday a special one. Okay, okay na?